good morning. Happy day after Thanksgiving. As you can see, a little bit of snow. Today is the annual equipment shuffle. Well, first tractor of the day. Woo! Cold one. Okay, now we'll need to get the farm all out. Oops. Okay. Be nicer without the snow and the cold. First year, it's been not the nicest for doing this. Last piece of machinery. And we're going the wrong way. I was gonna try using the forks to get this out, but to me it was gonna potentially not line up, and last thing I would do is screw something up with the tank or the or the pump. So yeah, I got it. getting there. Yeah, it's filling up pretty fast. Does this every year. Not quite sure how this will go, but gotta try it. Well, it is somewhat organized. Let's see. Special thanks to my brother for coming over. He's heading back. The only thing that wasn't able to fit in is the chisel plow, which is a little disappointing, but yeah. See if he can get going with that Ford. Oh, there we go. We'll get this on video. Oh, there he goes. He just had in two-wheel drive, but typical Ford. Good work. So that's gonna go back over to my mom's. And yeah, so the only thing that I want to do yet is come over and take off, get all the meters off and have them stand tested at the ripper inside, rolling basket, combine, field cultivator, sprayer, corn head, 2 gravity wagons. It's cold today. Not the best of days. I think we could try to come over on a day. I need my just impact driver. I need the impact wrench, but I think it should make it easier to get all of these boxes off. Maybe it's not even, probably should look. Not gonna do it today. And I need to pick a better day and get the tractor washed up. I tried seeing if do any field work today. It didn't work, so is what it is. Yet another day. But yeah, aside from the chisel plow, everything's inside. The annual equipment shuffle. Tetris is what I like to call it. Just because getting all this stuff back in is quite interesting, but it's in. Good to go. Now the fun is figuring out how to get out of here. That is a little tight. Looks like this is okay. Not quite ideal, but I think it's technically better than last year. Yeah, Siri. Okay. And this is a little tight.